Alright, so today I'm installing bumper extensions on my E92 235i, although this should apply to pretty much all E90 series BMWs. We got one side of the extensions over here already installed in the OEM bumper holes. This second fin for the same side, a little bit different than most, has self-tapping screws you can pretty much adjust and put it wherever you want. I have them already set up, kind of started going in one of the inner extension pieces, but I want to match it to the other side inner one so we can get those self-tapping screws all in order. I'll put the link in the description for the website and where I got these. And the guy's Instagram is, I think it's BMW E_E9X. He makes some good stuff. This is the Type 3 bumper extension, although he makes several other types. But for now, I'm going to get the self-tappers aligned. Alright, so that's one side done. I'm going to show you more detailed on the other side now, but take a good look now. Here we got the driver's side with nothing. Not a bad look still, but then over here, more aggressive for sure. Looks even better from directly behind. Hard to kind of see because of all the shadows, but over here, yeah, that's nice. I like that a lot. All right, move the other side now. But that is the inner extension. Let's get the outer one now. Right here. This side just goes into the actual holes in the bumper, so it's pretty easy, but yeah, all right, be right back. Here's the back of the car. Here's under this side over here. You want to undo this one over here, and also that guy. We'll do that right now. All right, just got the outer extension on, looking good. You can see the bolt there barely, because it's kind of dark, but that's the first one on. I got the inner one now. So I already have the self-tap screws kind of in this piece. Now it's all about lining it up where I want it to go. So I know I want it roughly around where this bolt is, if it will focus, there it is. And then I kind of had it going straight, but I want it to be parallel with this guy. So it's gonna take some eyeballing. I'm looking kind of in between the two over here. But eventually you get it right, and that's all I need to do basically. There's no set place to put the inner one. It's kind of all about personal preference, so kind of beauty of it. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll come back when I'm done. All right, lost the light quickly there, but they're more or less in. I think it's a small issue where this side of my car has a bit of a bump at the bottom. I'm not quite sure why, but so it's a little lower than that side. But in the end, it looks great. Can't tell a thing. Like the way it turned out. I'll get some better quality shots in the morning, but you can check out my Instagram there. I'm sure they'll be up soon. But that's essentially it. All right. This is about a week later. They're still hanging on strong. I really like the way they look. Again, kind of hard to see just because of the lighting, but I guarantee you there we go. Yeah, you can see now. But they look pretty good. They've all held up pretty well. Actually extremely well. I think no damage to talk about really. So kind of gives you a wider look to the car. Not even wider, just more aggressive. I'm really happy with how they turned out. So yeah, that's basically it for now.